generally what we find in the layout is this, that you get either the horizontal lines and the vertical lines. Most of the layouts are aligned in rectangular shape. Okay, the way you see the screen, this screen is also in rectangular shape, but at times we may get the periphery wall like this or the internal partitions like this. So this is the regular mode of planning your interior space, and this is something you need to learn. So in this video I'll teach you how to manage such situation. For that I'm going to take out this furniture along with this chair, and I'm going to position somewhere here. What I want that this person should, align, the whole sitting should align with this line. So how to do that? Or either you can align this with this or any one of them. So rather than taking this table, I'll take another one, the normal one, and bring it here. So let's align them. So AL, select the object, source point, then destination point, source point, and then the destination point. It's done. Same way you can align this with this. So AL, enter, select them all, source, destination, source to, destination. So whichever side you want to align with certain line, so you'll have to select those two lines only, those 2 points only. Getting my point? So this is how we do the align with the help of align command. AL, enter, the short key. Now if somebody says that how to do, let me copy it first, how to do it without using the align command. So let's erase it first, and then I'll do the experiment now. I'll use the angle match. So this is a particular angle. So let's check how much is this. For that, let's make the horizontal line and then come to this, and then let's check the angle over here. How much is this? Is 45 degree. So what I need to do is to make the rotation of this particular object on 45 degree. So I'll use the rotate command, and then after I'll use 45 degree. So what should I feed here? 45 degree, 4, 5. It's done. How do we do it? This is important. This is based on the polar coordinate. For that, let's make straight line over here. Let's use rotate command, and with the help of copy, it's done. So what we need to understand over here is this, that which side comes 0 degree. So this is your 0, and this is your 90, this is 180, and this is going to be 270. So the rotation counting should start from here. It's similar to the wall clock, which comes 3 o'clock over here. 3 here. Then comes how much? 12 over here. And this side, how much you get?
9
What
o'clock.
time you get?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So 9 will be like this. And then we have over here
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. So you can relate it with a wall clock, that 0 is 3 o'clock. So any line you start, suppose I'm starting from here. So if it is coming here, it's almost 15 degree. This is 15 degree. This is almost 45 degree. Likewise, you can see in the screen that the angle is increasing this way. Now we have crossed 90. This is 115, 129, 145. This is now 180 degree. Now we are crossing 180 degree. So the moment you cross each quadrant, you will have to keep on adding. And this is which direction? This is anti-clock. So you start from 3 o'clock or 0 and you need to go anti-clock to count your degree. कोई भी डिग्री आप जब भी आप लोगे, सपोज 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा लेना है, so you'll have to do one thing. This is 90 degree plus whatever you need, you'll have to add with the 90. Then you get this line in this particular quadrant. If you want this line to be in third quadrant, then you'll have to add this, and the part of this particular quadrant. Then only you get, suppose I want to make a line over here in the center. How much should I give? So for that, I need to do at the rate, then maybe the length, and at the angle. How much angle should I give here? So you'll have to add 90 plus 90 plus 45. So 180 plus 45 is 225. So I'll have to give 225. You can see exactly it is in the center of third quadrant. Suppose I want a line in the center of the fourth quadrant. So what should I do? I need to write at the rate, the distance, whatever you want to take, then at the angle. So we have already 90, 90, 90, 270 plus 45. How much it comes? It will come 315 degree. So I'll have to write 315, enter. See, it's coming exactly in the center. If you want to check it, you can check. So this method works wonder. So this is what you'll have to study the wall or the line or the partition over here. Same angle, you'll have to rotate your object or the furniture to place it on this particular wall. Now I need to move them together to this particular spot. So this is done. So this was the second method. So second method was what? What we call it as angle match. So I have just simply match the angle. That's it. Now let's understand the third way or the third thing, how to do it. So for that, I'm going to take, say, already we know how much is the angle over here. It was 45 degree. You have already seen it, 45 degrees. So I'm going to take text command. Next command is the text align. So how do we do that? Let me show you. This will be based on text alignment. Text align. Here you need to put the rotation angle. How much is the rotation angle? 45 degree. So suppose I want to write something, it's going like this. So there's something wrong. How much should I give? This is the wrong method because this is in second quadrant. So you have this 90 degree plus 45. So it comes 135. So take the text command and then after specify the angle 135. Suppose now if I write something, so this is going to go to how much? 135. So I can align this particular text to this particular wall. So this is how we understand align command of the geometry with the align and then angle match. And if you want to align the text, then you can simply specify the angle of the text command based on this polar coordinate. So knowing polar coordinate is very important and you will have to follow this 3, 12, 9, 6 or 0, 90, 180 and 270 degree angle method. Hope you have understood. Thank you very much for watching this video.